Now question number 8 of exercise 5.3. 2025. These plants are planted in such a way that number of rows and number of plants are equal. Means if number of rows is 5, number of plants should also, means it will be the square of a number. So in this pattern, if you are planting these number of plants, so what will be the number of rows or number of plants? It will be square root. So to find the square root, either by prime factorization we will do, or by this way we will do. Okay. So answer is 42 answer. Okay. Now question number 9. Question number 9. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following number 4, 9 and 10, and find the smallest number. Smallest means least number you have to find. So to find the least number, you have to make least common multiple, means LCM you have to find out. So smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following numbers. So so smallest number is 2 into 2 into 9 into 5. So it is 180. 80 is the smallest number. Find the smallest, but it should be a square number. It means these prime factors should be in pairs. So 9 we have got a pair. 9 we have got a pair of 3, 2, 3 and 5 and 3 and 3 and 3. 3 to 2, 1 and 5. And 2 also you have got a pair 1, 1 and 5. So prime factor method, it is LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 to the 4. 180. So now the smallest number, smallest square number they want. So to be a square number, this 180, it should be in its prime factor should be in pair. So here there is no pair. So what we have to do, we have to multiply the number by 5, so that one more 5 will come here and this becomes the whole. So it is the 900 is the new number. It is the least number. It will be the least number which is divisible by 4, 9 and 10. In this way, the next 10th question also you can do in this way. Now we are going to the next exercise. Find the square root of the by division method. So question number 1, by division method, 1 and 6 we are taking first. All numbers we are not doing 6. By the division method, 1, 3, 6, 9. By the method you have to use division method. Okay. So in the division method, what we do, first we make a pair like this, 2, 2. From this side, right hand side you have to go to the left hand side, okay, and make a pair of 2, 2. So here 13 is one pair. You have to find such a number whose square should not cross 3. 13, like 1 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 3 3 ja, and 4 4 ja 16. 4 4 ja is exceeding, so 3 3 ja we will take. So 3 3s are, it is 9. So 4, 6, 9, and then you reduce it. From 13 we have reduced like division method, like divide we are doing. This number is divided by the 3 by 3 and this has come. Okay, now you add these two numbers will be added, so it will become 6. Okay, first divided this number by 3 and 3 is divided answer. Now here you have to put such a number whose multiplication is this one, like 9. So either it is 9 9 3, it will be 3. So if you take the 3 or any such number, 7 7 7 49, 7, like this number will be there. So let us try by 7. 7 7 49, 49 4 7 42. Okay, this has worked. So the next number we will take 37. So answer is your 37. This is by the division method. Another question we will take 1 and 11. 1 and 11. Question number 1 and 11 we are taking. So this is 3136. 3136. By division method we have to do. So in the division method you have to make a pair from right to left. So here you have to find any number whose square does not cross 31, like 4 4 is 16, 5 5 is 25, or 6 6 it will exceed. So 5 5 is 5 we will take. 5 5 we will take, and 5 5 is 25, then we will reduce. So 6 will come. These two numbers here, two numbers, to group number comes down. In the division only one number comes, here two numbers will come. 36, and here you have to add it, so it becomes 10. So you have to find a number whose multiply is 6. So like 6 6 is 36. So 6 6 is 36, 6 1 is 6. So here it has worked. So 56. So your answer is 56 is your answer. In this way, by the division method, you can divide and find the square root. Okay. Now find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following number without any calculation. Okay. So question number 2. Question number 2, it is from the previous, like 64 they are asking. 64. They are asking to make in the they have to make a square root of it, and here whatever the answer you have to tell the unit digit you have to tell. Unit digit. Find the number. They are telling find the number of digits. Find the number of digits in the square root. So here this works very good. So here, because pairwise it is 2 will be in one pair, so it will be only one bracket is here now. So answer is 1. One number will be its. Find the number of digits. Number of digits depends on this brackets. These brackets, how many you have made. So here only 64, only 1. So number of digits is 1. This is your answer. Then suppose you take the second number. This was 1. This was second. So 1 4 4. So here if you make the groups, so this is one group. Here only one number is there, so it will be only 1. So here 2 bars are there, so answer will be 2. Okay. Then in the answer, number of digits will be 2. In the square root of this number, it will be 2. Now you take a big number, 3 9 0 6 2 5. So here 1 group, 2 group, and 3 group. So in the answer, the cube, the square root of this number will be of 3 digits. Okay. So this is your answer. Now we will go to the rub it and we will go to the next. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Find the square root of decimal numbers. So one we are taking. It is 2.56. This is decimal number. Here you have to find the square root of decimal number. So here again, Decimal side we will make a separate, and decimal side it goes on this way. It goes on right and right onwards. But the whole number, it always goes to the from right to left it goes. So here only one number is there, okay. So what we will do, 1 1 ja 1 and its total will come 2. Then point, this number we are going to use. So point we will put here. Now reduce it. 1 and 56, two numbers will come all together. 56 will come. Then now 6 is there, so 6 6 ja 36 it comes. So by 6 we will try. 6 6 ja 36. I think now it works. It means 1.6. Your answer is 1.6. Likewise, if we do another question, fifth number. Fifth number we are doing, number is 31.36. So here I told it goes on this way. Decimal section goes right and right onward. And whole number, it goes on from right to left. So here a pair is there. You have to find a pair such that its square should not cross 31. So 5 5s are 25. Because 6 6 it will exceed. 5 5s are 25. So 6 will come, here 5 will come. Here add it, it will become 10. Now 36, the point we will put here and two numbers will come here. Okay. Now 6 times we can take 6 6 ja 36, 6 1 ja 6. Okay. So 6. So answer is 5.6. In this way, decimals we can do. Decimals by right hand you will go, and here you will go left side. And suppose here only one number is there. So after this one number will be the mark, and it will come only down. Okay. If in any question like 3 6 7 is there. So 7 will be alone, and only alone you put a bar, and when the number comes it will come alone. Then two numbers need not be there. Okay. This is just I am telling if any more number is there. Now question number 4. Find the least number which must be subtracted. Okay, question number 4. Least number to be subtracted. Least number to be subtracted. So for this we are taking suppose 4 2. So for this purpose 1989. You go by, when subtracted is asked or added is asked, you go by this division method. It is the best method. So 2 and 2 bar is there. 2 and 2 bar is there. So here 4 4 ja 16. So 3 will come here, and here it becomes 8. 89 will come. So any number we should not cross 4. So we will try by 4. So here this is remainder. Okay. It is not cut. It means if from the number we reduce 53, we subtract 53, it will become, here it will become less number, and here it is less number. So if we subtract 56 from this number, this will also reduce, and then it will be divisible. So your answer is 53. 53 is to be subtracted. Okay. In this way, question number 4, for another question we are taking. Question number 4, question 4 and 4. Okay. 8, 2 and 5. So we will go by this way. So 2 2s are 3 3s is 9. That is exceeding. So 2 2s are 4. So 5 2 5 is become. Here it is 4. So now any number which 52. 0 8 8 7 2 to the 4. So 5 to 8. 4 9 ja. 4 9 ja. Suppose we are taking more than this we cannot go, okay, because 2 2s are 4, plus is 4, and then the number you are taking 9. Okay, so the number is 4, this 84. It means if from this original number you subtract 84, then what will happen? This number will be perfectly square number, and it will be divisible. Okay, then answer is your 84. 84 is 1 minute. Here from 8 you have to subtract 4. So here it will come, 4 will come. So 4 will come, and now we will try any number should not exceed 42. So we will take 8. 8 is 64, and the 6 carry 8 for the 32, and 6 38. Now we will minus it. So after minus, this 41 is coming. It means if this number is reduced from here, that will reduce from here also, and it will be perfectly divisible, and the number will become perfectly square. So our answer is this 41. What number should be subtracted? What number should be subtracted? 41 should be subtracted. Okay, now we will go to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, the least number should be added. Here least number to be added. Least number to be added, not subtracted, to be added. Here they are asking to be added to make it perfect square. So fifth, we are taking a question second. Number is 1750. Working is the same, means 2 and 2 pairs we will make. 4 for the 16, 8, 1, 5 and 0. It comes. So here Arduna Sola. 1 time it will go, and here 81 will come. No. It means to become it that number, we have to add some number to it, so that or well added, instead of this you can do in another way. The number to be added. Okay, 1 minute. So if we are taking 1, it is okay, but we have to add. So in least number we have to add. So instead of 1, you make the next number. 81 is okay, but then we will make it by 2. Make it by 2. So by 2 if you will make, it comes to 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, and here negative 4 and 1 4. So this negative number what is coming, it should be added to this original number 1750. So your answer is this. Answer is 14. 14. Answer is 14. If 14 will be added to this number, it will become the least number which have a square root. Okay, now another number we can take 5 and 4. 5 and question number 4. Least number we have to find. 1825. 1825. Again the pairs are like this. So 4 for the 16 is coming here. It is 8. It is 2. Or it is 4. 4 for the 16. Okay. Now 2 will come after minus. 2 will come. Here 8 will come. And 2 5. So here, if we make it 2, so 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 8 to the 16. So we have to take it 3 times, suppose. 3 3s are 9, 9, 8 3s are 24. Now this is okay. See, it should be some more, as possible least as is okay. So by 2 it was okay. So we have made by 3. Made by 3. So our answer is 4 minus 5. and 2. This is your minus is coming. So it means this number should be added so that it will be a perfect square. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Find the length of a side of a square whose area. The area of square is equal to side square. Okay. So here area is given 441 m meter square. So is equal to side square. So they want the side, means the length they want. Side means length they want. So length will be under root 441 m square. So we have to make a square root of this number. So 441, 2 and 2 we will take. So 2 2s are 4. Now it has become 4. So one time it will go and 41 will be over. Okay. So your answer is 21. So here 21 into 21 into m will come. So for square root we have to make the pairs. So in pair it will be 21 m. So length is 21 m. Okay. Now we will go to the next question. Question number 7. In a right angle triangle, question number 7. In a right angle triangle it is given. Okay. And this is your right angle. Right angle is B. So in AB is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. BC is your 8 centimeter, and they want it. For this Pythagoras is there, means this is known as hypotenuse. So H is always H square is equal to, this is your baseline and this is your perpendicular. Okay. So H square is always equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So here base square is 8 square plus perpendicular is 6 square. So 64 plus 36 equal to 100. This is equal to H square. So H equal to under root 100. So H equal to under root 10 into 10. So here pair is there, so H is equal to 10 centimeter. So your answer will be 10 centimeter. Okay, in this way we can find it out. Now question number 8. Question number 8 we will go. Okay, question number 8. Here a gardener has 1000 plants. He plant these in such a number rows and columns. 1000 plants he has. And he wants rows and columns should be equal. It should be equal. It means if it is 4 row, it should also be 4. It means the plant should be, so altogether 4 square. So it means here the plant number is in squares. So if we made a square root of this, we can know rows and columns. Okay, what happened? Find the minimum number of plants he needs more. But here question is how many plants required more so that it becomes rows and columns becomes equal. So again 1000 we go by the division method. Okay, 1000. So 2 and 2. So 3 3s are 9. Okay, so 9 will come here, and here 1 and 0 0. It becomes 6. Now it can go by 1 only, but 2. Here we will make it 2. Some least number by more. So here it becomes 2. 4. Becomes 4. So here it comes minus 24. It means he requires 24 more plants. If 24 more plants is given to him, his rows and columns will be all equal. Okay. Now question number 9. Now question number 9. Question number 9. There are 500 children. 500 children are there. 500 children are there. And in a school for PT drills, they have to stand in such and that rows is equal to column. Again rows and columns. Here, columns should be equal. This should be equal. It means we have here a square root. Because rows and columns should be equal, it means square root we have to find. So square root we will go. So 2 to the 4. Okay. 1 0 0. 4 will come here. So here the question is how many children would be left? So suppose he makes rows and column, how many students will be left? They cannot come here. It means we have not to exceed, but we have to make it within 100. Okay, 2 to the 4, 8. So 16. So it is so 16 left. So 16 cannot come here because then it cannot be a perfect square. Okay. So your answer is 16. Answer is 16. Your answer is 16 is your answer. Okay. So now this chapter is over. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.